Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of only app you click on settings. Then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about the application of OMI and you will enter. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to start your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.